Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download an app. So let's jump right into it. First, we will turn on the device. Next, we will find and open the Google Play Store. Once we have opened the Play Store, click the bar at the top and the keyboard will pop up on your screen. Now you will search the name of the app you want to download. I am going to download Google Assistant. Hit the enter button in the bottom right corner. Now, find the app that you want to download. Click on the name of the app. Then hit the install button in the middle of your screen. You have now successfully installed an app. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found the video informative, click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.